we're at the middle of the MAP Tattoo Convention where they're gonna be painting the Segway Xyber bike. We're gonna be taking this work of art out in the streets of Des Moines, Iowa. We're gonna be checking out one of the world's biggest skate parks.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Darren from Mckeag Art. On social media, I'm with my homie Taylor from Top Shelf Signs. We're at the middle of the MAP Tattoo Convention here in Des Moines, Iowa. It was kind of the brainchild of Dan over at Ebike. He got these Segway e-bikes in and he brought us on board to tag this one up at the middle of the MAP Tattoo Convention. Taylor is a sign painter and I'm a pinstriper, letterer, tattooist. And so we kind of tackled this thing. We started on opposite ends, opposite sides, and we just kind of went to town on it. There weren't really any limits, and we had a lot of fun with it.
So like Darren said, my name is Taylor Nagel with Top Shelf Signs, and I also paint the Gravedigger monster truck for Monster Jam. Darren pretty much did most of the striping. I did some of the lettering and some art on the front. We took these things for a spin the other day, and super smooth, super quick, just super fun. Would recommend. You can get yourself in a lot of trouble on one of these things. You can find me at Top Shelf Signs on Instagram and TikTok, and Darren.
Mckeag Art, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, it's all out there, so check it out. Keep your eyes peeled for this really rad tagged up e-bike. It's gonna be cool. We got some feedback from Segway. They really liked it. It's gonna be cool. Maybe it'll lead to something even bigger and more fun. We had a good time doing it, so thank you everybody involved.
What's up guys? We're here at the middle of the MAP Tattoo Convention in Des Moines, Iowa, and I'm here with
Dan Koenig from Ebike in Des Moines, Iowa, in Yankee Doodle Dandy Tattoo at a tattoo convention. Hey, with bikes. What could be a better combo?
What was your inspiration behind like getting this put together, bringing Segway Xyber bike here?
I heard about the Xyber bike from Segway and looked at the design of it and I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. I got introduced to the people behind the marketing and was invited as a bicycle dealer for a demonstration of the products. I had brought my wife with me to the event and she, while we were in a seminar, just kind of did a quick little doodle and she came up with some really cool stuff. Wouldn't it be cool if we were able to get like some real good customizing pinstripers and sign painters to be kind of going off on one of the bikes? And they said, we love it.
And where can we find you guys? Are you on social media?
Ebike and Yankee Doodle Dandy Tattoo.
Thank you, brother.
Yep.
So guys, definitely stay tuned. We're gonna be hitting that skate park very soon, and let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the new tattooed up Xyber bike. Should we electrify this thing? 1967 e-bike. If you guys are in a town of Des Moines, Iowa, definitely stop by Itchy e-bike shop. Wide open, and when you're hungry, open wide. Right now we're getting ready to go to the world's largest skate park. I don't know if he'll let me ride this Segway like on the ramps or anything, but we'll try. We're riding e-bikes in Iowa, of all places. Who would have thought Shreddy McSkate doesn't skate anymore and he's going to the world's largest skate park?
It's not the world's largest, but it's big.
It's huge.
It's up there, yeah.
Wow, look at this, guys. That is so cool. This bike can make it up those stairs, I tell you.
Oh yeah, or that grass.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I have a little BMX side hack.
Okay.
That's electrified.
Oh really?
Yeah, man, and I crashed coming down that hill.
No way.
With my kid on it right after a hockey game.
Oh my goodness. Wow. I gotta ride through some Iowa grass. Riding through the Iowa grass, riding through the Iowa grass. Can we make this hill? Like nothing. Yeah! What? What? Thank you, Segway, for this awesome trip. We're already having a blast. It's so much fun out here. Who would have thought? E-biking and a tattoo convention. So next spot?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow, look how steep this quarter pipe is. How you doing, bro?
Yo, what's up, man?
How's it going, bro?
Get a shot of them ollieing it.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I'm just scared of hitting the bike.
Yeah.
What's the battery life on it? Like,
So 30 amp hours with one, and then you can get a second one. It'll be like 60 amp hours. They're only 48 volt, but this goes up to about 35 miles an hour for the top speed. They claim like 112 miles of range on this thing.
damn.
Yeah. Oh, sir. Hell yeah, he's gonna ollie over the bike. Bro, yeah. You could probably switch ollie over that thing.
Oh, yeah, right.
Nothing. You're gonna be in a Segway ad. Let's go. Oh, easy. Oh, you got it, you got it. They got it this time. Yeah, let's go. You. Hell yeah, dude. Dan is definitely a local legend here. Everybody knows him. Makes me want to come back to skateboarding, but My ankle's so screwed. I destroyed every ligament in it. What a different type of video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy. If you guys do enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to drop a like. Veterans Memorial Community Choice Convention Center. Uno mas. Thank you.
Oh, damn, it's a possible.
We did a little group ride before the convention.
With cameras, too.
This is awesome, rolling in style. People are not expecting e-bikes to be rolling through. Never thought I'd be rolling through a tattoo convention on a cyber bike. Hell yeah, dude. Good vibes all weekend. Is that actually pretty easy to learn? Like,
Dude, it's actually kind of awkward to ride.
whoa, it feels so weird.
Back a little bit. Yeah, you kind of have to like.
Oh my God. This is not easy. Let's go, Dan. So there's a skateboard seat underneath it, and then his mom did the top of the seat. That's awesome. Good job on the skateboard seat. That looks awesome.
So
that
cool,
looks
right?
really cool.
I have pictures of me and my mom making it.
Oh, really?
This was just a big piece of leather, and she just went bap, 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 bap with a pair of scissors like nothing, and they're all perfect, you know?
That is awesome.
Such a smooth ride, it's so powerful, so sexy, so fancy. Let's ride and party and have fun. So thanks to Segway for being cool kids and mall cops. We love you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What a blast, guys. Huge shout out to Dan from Ebike, Middle of the Map Tattoo Convention, and Segway for having us out in Des Moines, Iowa. If you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Segway Xyber bike. And as always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for that subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next cyber ride.